Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on linear equations and inequalities. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given that a, b and c are integers such that ab plus c equal to 7, ac plus b equal to 5 and a plus b plus c equals to 6, and we are asked to find the value of abc. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 2. That is ABC is equal to 6. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So we have AB plus C is equal to 7. Let us call this equation 1. Next, we have AC plus B is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 2. On adding the two equations, we see AB plus AC plus B plus C is equal to 12. On factorizing, we obtain A into B plus C plus 1 into B plus C is equal to 12. Hence, we obtain B plus C into A plus 1 is equal to 12. Now, from equation 3, we have A plus B plus C is equal to 6. Hence, B plus C will be equal to 6 minus A. Let us substitute this value of B plus C in the above equation. Hence, we obtain A plus 1 into 6 minus A is equal to 12. On factorizing, we see that minus A square plus 5A plus 6 is equal to 12. On further substituting and simplifying, we find A square minus 5A plus 6 is equal to 0. On factorizing, we obtain A minus 3 into A minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence, A can take values either 3 or 2. Now, when A is equal to 3, we obtain B plus C is equal to 6 minus 3 or 3. And from equation 1, we have 3B plus C. 3B plus C is equal to 7. Hence, 2B is equal to 4 on subtracting, or B is equal to 2. Hence, if B is equal to 2, C must be equal to 1. And in this case, we have A, B, C is equal to 6. Now, when A is equal to 2, we have from equation 1, 2B plus C is equal to 7. And from equation 3, we have B plus C is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. Hence, we have B. On subtracting these two equations, we obtain B is equal to 3. This gives C as 1. Hence, in this case too, we see that A, B, C will be equal to 2 into 3 into 1, that is 6. Hence, whatever is the value of A, B or C, the value of ABC will always be 6, thus giving us option 2 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.